Hi everyone. You want to combine multiple cells into single cell without using any messy formulas? So in today's session, we are going to cover a formula which will help you with that. It's called text join. So what is text join? We want to combine multiple texts. Simple thing, right? So what is the syntax of that? Is equal to text join, delimiter, ignore, empty, and then text. First, delimiter. You want to combine these three names, right? Like how you want to combine using any delimiter, right? Like sometimes it can be space, sometimes it can be a column or comma, anything. Whatever delimiter you want to use, you can use that particular delimiter here. So for example, if I want space as a delimiter, I'll give it in double quotations and then ignore empty cells or include empty cells. So whether you want to ignore the empty ones, for example, here I don't have, but here I have, right? If I want to ignore this or include this, depending on your requirement, you can give true or false. So let's say true first, ignore empty cells and then text. You can select one by one text like this, or you can just select an array as well. So it will give me Raviteja Grandhi. For example, again, let's see one more example, text join. So now I'm using comma instead of space, true. So if I had done this, Ravi, comma, Grandhi, because I'm ignoring the empty cells. If I don't ignore, what will happen? Instead of ignoring, I'm saying include empty cells. So now if you see, there are two commas because Ravi, comma, empty cell, comma, and then Grandhi. So it's considering the blank cells as well. So it depends whether you want to include or ignore. Hope this helps. Thank you.